there, creative minds! Welcome back to our channel. We're going to explore a curated list of essential fonts that every graphic designer should have in their toolkit. So if you want to enhance your design toolbox and elevate your typography game, grab your notepad and let's get started. First off is the font Eastman. The Eastman typeface seamlessly blends elegance with modernity. Eastman beautifully balances classic elements with a contemporary twist, making it perfect for diverse applications from upscale branding to captivating editorial layouts, while its varying weights allow for effortless emphasis in any design project. The comprehensive character set supports multiple languages, ensuring that your design can reach a global audience. Next is Encode Sans, a versatile typeface for modern design. The Encode Sans font stands out as a beacon of modern design aesthetics. Created with precision and versatility, the Encode Sans font is more than just a typeface. Its combination of geometric simplicity, versatility, and readability makes it a must-have for any designer's toolkit. Encode Sans stands ready to elevate your design projects, making them not only visually attractive, but also effective in communicating your message. Number 3 is the Closeness font. Closeness is a modern typeface created with the goal of bridging the gap between legibility and artistic expression. The font was inspired by the concept of intimacy and connection, reflecting the nuances of human relationships. The rounded edges and soft curves of Closeness evoke a sense of warmth and approachability, inviting readers to engage with the content in a positive manner. Closeness stands out not just for its visual appeal, but for the emotions and ideas it embodies. As we continue to navigate an increasingly visual world, the right font, like Closeness, can be a powerful tool for fostering human connection through design. The Encode Sans font, a modern typographic choice. Typography plays a crucial role in communication. One typeface that has garnered attention in recent years is Encode Sans. Encode Sans comes in multiple weights and styles, ranging from thin to extra bold, allowing for a broad spectrum of design possibilities. With its clean lines, balanced proportions, and modern aesthetic, Encode Sans has quickly become a favorite among graphic designers, web developers, and typographers alike. A noteworthy feature of Encode Sans is its extensive character set. The font supports a wide range of languages, including numerous accented characters, making it suitable for global use. This multilingual support ensures that designers can maintain consistency and visual appeal across different markets without compromising on readability. The Dream Orphans, a blend of elegance and whimsy. Certain typefaces stand out not merely for their legibility or functional design, but for their ability to evoke emotion and creativity. One such remarkable font is Dream Orphans. At first glance, Dream Orphans showcases a delightful combination of uppercase and lowercase letters that harmoniously balance formal characteristics with playful design. The rounded letters are not only visually appealing, but also highly legible, making them suitable for a variety of applications. This typeface has been making waves among designers and creatives, combining elegance with a unique charm that appeals to various projects. Next is the King Richard typeface. Certain fonts resonate with distinct cultural or historical significance, leaving an indelible mark on design and communication. One such font is King Richard, which has garnered attention for its elegant design and regal connotations. The King Richard font is inspired by the rich history and drama associated with the life of King Richard I of England. Known for his leadership during the Crusades and his portrayal in folklore as a valiant and brave ruler, the font embodies the qualities associated with this iconic figure. The typography is designed to evoke feelings of nobility, strength, and adventure, making it an excellent choice for designs that aim to communicate these themes. The Race Sports font. A perfect blend of energy and elegance, and the Race Sports font is no exception. Designed to evoke the thrill of speed and the excitement of sports, this font has gained popularity among designers and brands that want to convey a sense of dynamism and action. Race Sports is characterized by its bold and athletic curves that mirror the fluidity of motion. The font features sharp angles and a clean design, making it instantly recognizable and impactful. The combination of thick and thin strokes provides an energetic flair, perfect for catching the eye of audiences in sports-related contexts. One of the standout features of race sports is its versatility. Suitable for a variety of applications, from branding athletic gear to promoting sporting events, the font can adapt to both display sizes and smaller text. It's not just about looking good. It was crafted with legibility in mind, ensuring that even at high speeds, whether on a screen or a printed material, it remains readable. Tahoma font. Tahoma is a sans serif typeface. Tahoma was created to provide excellent readability on screens, especially at smaller sizes. Its clean lines and open letter forms have made it a go-to choice for a variety of applications, from software interfaces to web design. One notable aspect of Tahoma is its lack of any decorative features. This minimalist approach allows it to maintain clarity across different sizes and resolutions. An essential trait in the digital age, the font's character set includes Latin and other special characters, making it suitable for a wide range of languages. The Decal Type font, a blend of modern aesthetics and classic design. Decal Type stands out as a unique and captivating typeface that merges modern design principles with classic typographic elements. Developed for a variety of application, its roots can be traced to vintage lettering styles, particularly those seen in mid-20th century advertisements and signage, making it suitable for a wide array of design projects. Clarissa, a versatile and elegant typeface. In the ever-evolving world of typography, every designer seeks the perfect font that harmonizes functionality and aesthetics. One such standout option is Clarissa, a typeface that is gaining traction for its beautiful curves and versatile applications. Clarissa is characterized by its graceful, flowing forms, which combine elements of both modern and classic type design. The font boasts elegantly rounded serifs that lend a sense of warmth and friendliness, making it appealing for a wide range of projects. Its letter forms balance sophistication with readability, an essential trait for any effective typeface. The clarity of Clarissa's shapes ensures that it performs well on both digital and print platforms. The design includes multiple weights and styles, accommodating everything from headlines to body text. This versatility allows designers to maintain a cohesive visual identity across various media, from websites to branding materials. The Beatric font. Among the myriad fonts available, Beatric stands out as a modern typeface with a distinctive character. Beatric is characterized by its clean lines, balanced proportions, and a touch of elegance. Its features possesses a rhythmic geometric structure that makes it visually pleasing. The clean curves and sharp angles work harmoniously, resulting in readability without sacrificing style. The Beatric font is ideal for a wide array of design applications, including branding, print media, digital platforms, and promotional materials. Adoha font, a modern serif typeface that strikes a perfect balance between elegance and functionality. The Adoha font is characterized by its distinct blend of traditional serif features with a contemporary twist. Here are some of its notable attributes. Number 1. The serif design. Adoha features delicately crafted serifs that enhance readability while providing a touch of sophistication. The serifs are not overly exaggerated, making the font suitable for both headlines and body text. 2. The versatile weights. Adoha comes in multiple weights, ranging from light to bold. This versatility allows designers to use the font across various platforms and applications, from branding materials to websites, ensuring consistency while maintaining visual interest. 3. The elegant curves. The gentle curves and shapes of the letters in the Adoha font contribute to its modern feel. These features make the font aesthetically pleasing while still being functional. As typography continues to evolve, Adoha stands out as a testament to the timeless appeal of well-crafted typefaces, bridging the gap between classic aesthetics and contemporary needs. The Argonus font, a fusion of style and functionality. The Argonus font stands out for its unique blend of style, versatility, and clarity. Argonus is a typeface characterized by its geometric forms, elegant lines, and modern sensibilities. The Argonus font is an exemplary typeface that marries form and function seamlessly. Its distinctive design, inspired by a blend of classical elements and modern aesthetics, provides designers with a powerful tool for effective communication. As brands continue to seek typography that conveys authenticity and style, Argonus stands ready to meet the challenge, ensuring that every piece of text not only informs, but also inspires. Whether you are crafting a new brand identity or designing digital content, Argonus is a font worth considering for your next project. The last on these list is the Kenyan Coffee font, a brew of culture and aesthetics. The Kenyan Coffee font stands as a testament to the beauty of cultural representation in design. It encapsulates the essence of Kenya's coffee heritage while providing a platform for creative expression. For designers looking to infuse their work with the richness of Kenyan culture, this font offers an excellent avenue to showcase not only the beauty of typography, but also the stories that lie behind it. Whether used in branding or graphic design, the Kenyan Coffee font continues to brew inspiration, one letter at a time. This font serves as more than just a visual representation of words. It embodies culture, emotion, and identity. Among the fonts that have captured the imagination of designers and typographers is the Kenyan Coffee font. Drawing inspiration from the rich landscapes and the vibrant culture of Kenya, this typeface is not just a tool for communication, but a celebration of a unique heritage. To make your experience even easier, we have included direct links to these font resources in the description section of our video tutorial. Simply click on the link to be redirected to the website where you will get these fonts. Whether you need sleek modern fonts or vintage script, you'll find everything you need to bring your designs to life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials.